Welcome to a pro car. This is a 2001 2.7-liter Porsche Boxster with 220 horsepower from that lovely 6-cylinder Boxster engine. It was a slight improvement from the 2.5-liter version. More bottom-end torque, no engine casting problem, better air intake and a 7,200 RPM red zone instead of the 6,500 RPM of the 2.5-liter. But what makes it the perfect cheap dream car? Just two letters. MR. This is a mid-engine rear-wheel drive car with some decent power outputs and one of the nicest engine sound around the world. Just hear it. It drives as good as it sounds. Nearly perfect 50-50 weight distribution, a really responsive steering and a good old school driving feeling, even with an electronic throttle. This is definitely a driver's car. Why a Boxster instead of a 996? Well, because the stunning 996 is way harder to push it to the limit, and the Boxster is just pure hassle-free fun. And trust me, on a twisty road like this one, the 220 horsepower sitting behind your back are way enough. Also, with the prices sitting below the €1,500 mark, It is one of the best experience you can buy today. Just be sure to buy a nicely maintained example and you'll be happy as you can be. You think the Boxster is only a poor man Porsche, and yes, I am indeed? Or is it a real improvement from the old 911 engine layout? Thanks from Davide and Stefano for watching this first episode of our YouTube show. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe and follow for our next car videos. Goodbye and see you next time.